Jordan brand strengthens its baseball presence with the Air Jordan 1 Bred Toe MCS cleats, merging iconic hoops heritage with diamond-ready performance. Originally a 2018 lifestyle hit, the Bred Toe colorway, featuring the signature red, black, and white scheme, returns with a glossy patent leather upper and a rugged studded outsole tailored for baseball. Once used in football cleats, this bold design now transitions to the baseball field, continuing MJ's off-court legacy. The cleats also symbolize the Jumpman's deepening roots in baseball, with MLB stars like Aaron Judge and Jazz Chisholm Jr. wearing the brand. The sleek color blocking, combined with high-performance features, reflects Jordan brand's crossover versatility. This release showcases how basketball DNA evolves across sports without losing its edge. The Air Jordan 1 MCS Bred Toe is expected to launch soon via Nike.com. Jordan for $150.